मातृभ्यो नमः पितृभ्यो नमः आचार्येभ्यो नमः देवेभ्यो नमः। My hearty pranams to all the devotees who are watching the video with the ardent hope of performing Mahalakshmi Puja in your house or business house. In the previous videos, we have seen the date and time at which the Mahalakshmi Puja is to be performed. We have also understood what are the puja items required to be procured for this purpose and how to get ready for puja. Now, let us understand why we perform Sri Mahalakshmi Puja on Asvija Amavasya day only. It is because Sri Mahalakshmi Devi emerged from ocean when Samudra Madana took place in the evening hours. Literally, Asvija Bahula Amavasya happens to be the birthday of Goddess Mahalakshmi Devi. Hence Mahalakshmi Puja on Asvija Bahula Amavasya. With this introduction, let us now start performing Mahalakshmi Puja. Wife and husband be seated in front of Goddess, facing the Goddess, and listen to Mangala Vadya for few minutes. Keep Panchapatra before you. Panchapatra means 1 spoon, 1 glass and 1 Arghya-patra. In the glass, have water fully. This glass, hereafter called Achamana Patra, keep Puja Kalasha also in front of you with full water. Now, please take water in the spoon from Achamana Patra and put your ring finger edge in the spoon so that it attracts water. While listening to this mantra, purify yourself and the puja area by sprinkling water on your head and body with the ring finger and on the body of your wife also. Do it 3 times. First do it for yourself and next to your wife. Om apavitra pavitro va sarvavasthangato va yasmaret pundarikaksham sabahyabhyantarashuchihi. With this, yourself and puja area are purified. Then listen to the following mantras in Namaskara posture. Devim vachamajanayanta devaah stam vishwarupah pasavo vadantri sano mandreshu morjanduhara dhedurvagasmam upasushthutaito ध्रुवन्ते राजा वर्णो ध्रुवं देवो बृहस्पतिः ध्रुवन्त इन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च राष्ट्रं धारयतां ध्रुवं ध्रुवं तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं दैवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपते तेऽङ्घ्रियुगं स्वरामि सुमुहूर्तमस्तु सुप्रतिष्ठितमस्तु शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये लाभस्तेषां जयस्तेषां कुतस्तेषां पराभवः एषामिन्दीवरस्यापो हृदयस्थो जनार्दनः आपदामपहर्तारं धातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. Next, listen to the following mantra while ringing the bell. Agamartham tu devanam gamanartham tu rakshasam kuryat ghantarvam tatra devata hvanalanchanam. Then please listen to the following mantra and light the 5 lamps which are placed before the goddess. ॐ भोदीपब्रह्मरूपेण सर्वेषां हृदि संस्थितः अतस्त्वां स्थापयाम्यद्य अदज्ञानमपाकुरुः. On completion of the lighting, put kumkum at 5 places for each diya. Next, Achamanam to be performed. First husband will do and then wife. Please take 1 spoon of water from the glass, that is Achamana Patra, and transfer the water from the spoon to your right palm and then consume water into your mouth. Repeat it thrice. Then 4th time, take water and pour water in the palm and clean the palm. After you finish this, please ask your wife to do the same thing. That means she repeats what you have done. Please listen to the following namas and then do Achamanam. Om Keshavaya Swaha. So take water first time into the mouth. Om Narayanaya Swaha, second time. Om Madhavaya Swaha, third time. Om Govindaya Namaha, clean your right palm. Then ask your wife to do the same. Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Madhusudanaya Namaha, Om Trivikramaya Namaha, Om Vamanaya Namaha, Om Sridharaya Namaha, Om Rishikeshaya Namaha, Om Padmanabhaya Namaha, Om Damodharaya Namaha, Om Sankarshanaya Namaha, Om Vasudevaya Namaha, Om Pradyumnaya Namaha, Om Maniruddhaya Namaha, Om Purushottamaya Namaha, Om Madhokshajaya Namaha, Om Narasimhaya Namaha, Om Achyutaya Namaha, Om Janardhanaya Namaha, Om Upendraya Namaha, Om Haraye Namaha, Om Sri Krishnaya Namaha. Next, take few akshatas in right hand, both of you, and listen to the following mantra. On completion of the mantra, drop akshatas behind you over the head. Om Uttishtantu Bhuta Pishachaah Ete Bhumibharakaah Ete Shama Virodhena Brahma Karma Samarabhetu. Then, using 3 fingers of right hand, that is thumb, index finger and ring finger, hold your nose lightly and do pranayama. Means inhale the air with the left nostril, hold the air for some time inside and exhale through the right nostril. Do it like this for 4 times. Om Bhu, Om Bhuvaha, Om Swaha, Om Mahaha, Om Janaha, Om Tapaha, Om Satyam, Om Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayatu Umapo Jyotiraso Abrutam Brahma Bhuvassuvarom. Then take out your fingers and come to normal position. Now, listen to Sankalpa. Sankalpa means it's a proposal to perform the puja, seeking the blessings of the goddess. Listen to it carefully by holding akshatas and flowers in your hands. Mama upattadurita kshayadvara Sri Parameshwara Prityartham Shubhe Shobhana Muhurte Mahavishnorajñaya Pravartamanasya Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Pararardhe Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivaswata Manvantare Kali Yuge Prathama Pade Jumbo Dvipe Bharatavarshe Bharatakhande Meroh Dakshadibhage Sri Shailasya Nairuti Pradeshe. Here depending upon your location, instead of Srisailasya Nairuti Pradeshe, you can change it if you are not residing between Krishna and Kaveri. Those who are down below Godavari to the extreme south, they can simply say Godavaryaha Dakshine Dese. Those who are towards the north above Godavari, they can say Godavaryaha Uttare Dese or Godavaryaha Prak Pradeshe or Godavaryaha Paschime Dese. This all depends on the place where you are sitting for performing puja. In other way, it can be said as Ganga Nadiyoho Dakshine Dese, Ganga Nadiyoho Uttare Dese. It all depends on your location. Shobhana Gruhe Samasta Devata Brahmana Harihara Guru Charana Sannidhau Asmin Vartavane Vyavaharike Chandramanena Prabhavadi Sashti Sammatsaranal Madhye Sarvarinama Sammatsare Dakshinayane Taradrutau Aswijamase Krishna Pakshe Amavasyayam Sthiravasare Yuktayam Shubha Nakshatra Shubha Yoga Shubha Karana Evanguna Visheshana Vishishtayam Shubha Tithau Mama. First husband should say and next wife. Mama Kashyapasa Gotrodbhavasya. Here your Gotra to be told. Uttara Nakshatre Kanya Rasya Jatasya. Here your Nakshatra and Rasi should be told. Sita Rama Shastri Ramadheyasya. Here your name should be told. Dharma Patni Sametasya. Dharma Patnyaha Makha Nakshatre Simha Rasya Jatasya. Here your wife's Nakshatram and Rashi. Lakshmi Darsammanama Vatyaha. Here your wife's name. Sahakutumbasya Kshemasthirya Vijaya Abhaya Ayurarogya Aishwarya Abhirudyartham Dharmartha Kava Moksha Chaturvidha Phala Purushartha Siddhyartham Visheshena Mama Gruhe Mahalakshmi Sthira Nivasa Siddhyartham Mahalakshmi Kataksha Siddhyartham Yavachakti Dhyanamavahanadi Shodashopachara Pujancha Karishye. Akshatas and flowers which are in the right hand, they should be placed in front of Goddess Mahalakshmi. Tadanga Kalasharadhanam Karishye. You have a puja kalasha in front of you. Listen to the following mantra by placing your right hand on the puja kalasha, rather right palm. Kalasasya mukhe Vishnu kanthe rudras samastitah मूले तत्र स्थितो ब्रह्मा मध्ये मातृगणा स्मृताः कुक्षौ तु सागराः सर्वे सप्तद्वीपा वसुन्धरा ऋग्वेदोद यजुर्वेद सामवेदो ह्यदर्वणा अंगैश्च सहिताः सर्वे कलशाम्बुसमास्थिताः आयान्तु देवपूजार्थं मम दुरितक्षयकारकाः गंगे च यमुने कृष्णे गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेर्या जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु. Take out your palm from the kalasha. Take out a flower from the kalasha. Take water with flower and sprinkle the water on Ganapati and Goddess Mahalakshmi, on your head and on the items kept for puja by listening to the following mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvassuvaha Om Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayatu. With this, Kalasha Puja is over. Now, before Mahalakshmi Puja, it is customary to perform Mahaganapati Puja so that our Mahalakshmi Puja goes on without any hindrance. Adau Sankalpita Puja Nirvighnena Parisamavapyartham Mahaganadhipati Pujancha Karishye. Flowers and Akshata place before Ganapati. You have a Ganapati made with turmeric. Now perform puja for that Ganapati by placing akshatas and flowers each time. ध्यानम् ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तवं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पद आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसाधनं महागणाधिपतये नमः आवाहयामि अक्षत सुवर्णखचितरत्नसिंहासनं समर्पयामि अक्षत पादयोः पाद्यं समर्पयामि. Take water one with Uddhareni, that is spoon, from Kalasha, and show that spoon to Mahaganapati and drop the water in the Arghya Patra. Hastayoh Arghyam, repeat the same. Shuddhachamaniyam samarpayami, repeat the same. Mahaganapatiye namaha snanam. So now we are giving bath to Mahaganapati. We do it taking water from Puja Kalasha with flower and sprinkling water on Mahaganapati. Apohishtaamayo bhuvaha tana urje dadhatana maheranaye chakshase yovasyavata morasaha tasya bhajete hanaha ushatiriva mataraha tasma arangama mavaha yasya kshayaya janmadha आपो जनयधाचनः महागणाधिपतये नमः शुद्धोदकस्नानं समर्पयामि. On completion of Svana, next we offer Vastra. You have 2 pieces of Vastra soaked in Kumkum, cotton piece soaked in Kumkum, 2 pieces you have. Those 2 pieces place on Ganapati on either sides. Mahaganapatiye namaha yajñopavitam samarpayami. You have one yajñopavitam which is lined up by kumkum. That may be now submitted to Mahaganapati. Mahaganapatiye namaha gandham samarpayami. Now sandal paste. Gandhasyopari kumkumam samarpayami. On the sandal paste now place kumkuma on Ganapati. Pushpam samarpayami. Take flowers and offer them to Mahaganapati while listening to these namas. Om Sumukhaya Namaha, Om Ekadantaya Namaha, Om Kapilaya Namaha, Om Gajakarnakaya Namaha, Om Lambodharaya Namaha, Om Vikataya Namaha, Om Vighnarajaya Namaha, Om Dhumaketave Namaha, Om Ganadhyakshaya Namaha, Om Phalachandraya Namaha, Om Gajananaya Namaha, Om Shurpakarnaya Namaha, Om Herambaya Namaha, Om Skandhapurvajaya Namaha, Om Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Nanavidha Parimala Patra Kusuma Akshatan Samarpayami. Now, Namarchana is completed. Now we offer Dhupam to Mahaganapati. Take 2 agarbattis, light them. When smoke comes, show that smoke to Mahaganapati in a circular fashion. Vanaspathyudbhavai divyairnana gandhai susaitam agret sarvadevanam dhupoyam pratigruhyatam. Dhupam samarpayami. Now Deepam. Deepam you have already lighted. Now it is only to show to Ganapati. Take few akshatas and show the diya to Ganapati and place akshatas in front of Mahaganapati. Dhupadipanantaram shuddhachamaniyam samarpayami. Take 1 spoon of water, show it to Ganapati and drop it in Arghya Patra. Naivedyam. In front of Ganapati, there is 1 tambula with 5 fruits and 1 small piece of dry coconut and 1 small piece of jaggery, dry kharjur and dry grapes. Show that tambula to Ganapati and sprinkle water with flour from Kalasha on that tambula. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayatu. Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Nanavidha Palasameta Amurta Naivedyam Samarpayami. Show that Naivedyam to Ganapati. Then take 1 spoon of water from Kalasham, show it to Ganapati and drop it in Arghya Patra. Repeat it for 5 times. मध्ये मध्ये उदकपानीयं समर्पयामि, उत्तरापोषणं समर्पयामि, हस्तप्रक्षालनं समर्पयामि, पादप्रक्षालनं समर्पयामि, शुद्धाचमनीयं समर्पयामि, महागणाधिपतये नमः ताम्बूलं समर्पयामि. So 1 drop of water on Tambula in front of Ganapati. Suvarna Pushpa Dakshinan samarpayami, 1 flower on Tambula. Neerajanam samarpayami, take Harati plate, and you may be having Karpura or Batti, whatever it is there, please light it and show it to Mahaganapati listening to following mantra. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvighram Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Offer flowers and akshata to Mahaganapati and keep Harati plate by the side and pour 1 spoon of water on the other end of Harati plate. Please get up with flowers and akshatas in your hand and listen to following mantra pushpa. Tat Purushaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Dantih Prachodayatu Suvarna Divya Mantra Pushpam Samarpayami. Akshatas and flowers in your hand to be offered to Mahaganapati, and then make 3 rounds around you, which is called Atma Padakshinam, by listening to the following mantra. Yani kani cha papani janmantara krutani cha tani tani vinasyante pradakshina pade pade. Then offer namaskara to Mahaganapati and take Harati from the Harati plate which you have kept towards your side. Now, Punah Pujancha Karishye. You please sit down and be offering akshatas to Mahaganapati. Chhatramachadayami akshata. Chamaram vichayami akshata. Nrutyam darsayami akshata. Geetam sravayami akshata. Andolikam avarohayami akshata. Samasta Siktyopachara Bhaktyopachara Puja Samarpayami. Ganapati Puja is over. Now we have to leave 1 arghya to Mahaganapati. Take akshata and water in right hand with a spoon of water from the kalasha. Listen to the following mantra and drop akshata and water in arghya patra. Anaya dhyana bhavahanadi shodashopachara pujanena Bhagavan Sarvatmakaha Mahaganadhipati Devataha Suprita Suprasanna Varada Bhavantu Mahaganadhipati Anugraha Prasada Siddhirastu Mahaganadhipata Prasadam Sirasa Grundhami. Take 1 flower from the flowers offered to Mahaganapati and namaskara, say namaskara to that and transfer it to your wife to be kept in her hair. Then slightly shift Mahaganapati with your right hand for Udvasana. Yajnena yajnamajanta devaha udvasayami Mahaganapatiye namaha yadhasthana udvasayami sthapayami Mahaganapati devatabhyo namaha punaragamanaya cha. Pray Mahaganapati to visit your house once again. Now we will move to main puja, which is called Mahalakshmi Puja. For this also there is a brief sankalpa. This sankalpa is Purva Sankalpita Prakarena Mahalakshmi Devyai Namaha Sri Sukta Sahita Shodashopachara Pujancha Karishye. Offer akshata and flowers to Goddess Mahalakshmi and listen to the following mantra. Sarasi Janayane Saroja Haste Dhavalataram Shukagandhamalya Shobhe भगवति हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनभूतिकरि प्रसीद मह्यं बिल्वाटवी मध्यलसत्सरोजे सहस्रपत्रे सुखसन्निविष्टाम् अष्टापदाम्भोरुहपाणिपद्मां सुवर्णवर्णां प्रणमामि लक्ष्मीं महालक्ष्मीदेव्यै नमः ध्यायामि. Offer one flower to Mahalakshmi. ध्यानं सक्तुमिवतित उना पुनन्तो यत्र धीरा मनसा वाचमक्रता अत्रा सखाय सख्यानि जानते भद्रैषां लक्ष्मीर्निहिताधिवाची. ध्यानं समर्पयामि. One flower to Goddess Mahalakshmi. आवाहनं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये विष्णुवक्षस्थलालये आवाहयामि देवी त्वं सुप्रीता भव सर्वदा. महालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः आवाहयामि. You are inviting Mahalakshmi. Place one pushpa in token of invitation. Asanam means you are offering her a simhasanam. Suryayuta nibhasurve स्फुरद्रत्न विभूषिते रत्न सिंहासनमिदं देवी स्थियतां सुरपूजिते. महालक्ष्मी देवताभ्यो नमः. रत्न सिंहासनं समर्पयामि. Please offer one flower. पाद्यं सुवासितं जलं रम्यं सर्वतीर्थसमुद्भवं पाद्यं गृहाण देवी त्वं सर्वदेव नमस्कुते. महालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः. पादयोः पाद्यं. Take one spoon of water from Kalasha and show it to Mahalakshmi. Then drop it in the Arghya Patra. Arghyam Shuddhodakancha Patrastam Gandha Pushpadimishritam Arghyam Dasyami Te Devi Gruhana Surapujite. Take one spoon of water from Kalasha, mix some sandal paste in that and keep one flower also. Show everything to Mahalakshmi and then drop whole thing in Arghya Patra. Achamanam Suvarna Kalashanitam Chandanaagaru Samyitam Gruhanachamanam Devi Maya Dattam Shivaprade. Mahalakshmi Devyai Namaha. Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Take one spoon of water from the Kalasha, show it to Mahalakshmi and again drop it in Arghya Patra. Panchamrita Snanam means milk, curd, ghee, honey and sugar, each 25 ml. Now, you have also kept one coconut ready for puja. Keep that coconut also near you. Now, whatever idol is there, Mahalakshmi's idol in front of Kalasha, take that idol. Those who have not kept the idol but kept 1 rupee coins 11, take them and place them in a plate which can hold water and keep one tulasi dala on Mahalakshmi. Perform Panchamruta Abhisheka according to mantras in the order. Apyayasva sametute Vishwataso Marushniyam Bhavavajasya Sangate Kshirina Snapayami. Milk on Mahalakshmi. Dadhikra unno akarsham jishno rasvyasya vajiraha surabhino mukhagaratu prana ayu gumshitarshritu dadha snapayami. Curd on Mahalakshmi. Shukravasi jyotirasi tejosi devo vassavitot punat vachitrena pavitrena raso suryasya rasmibhihi adhyena snapayami. Ghee on Mahalakshmi. Madhu vataratayate madhuksharan sindhavaha madvirna santoshadihi madhu nakta mutoshasi madhumatparthya gumbajaha madhudyorastra pita madhumal no vanaspatir madhumagumastu suryaha. Honey on Goddess Mahalakshmi. Swaduppavassa divyaya jinvane swadrindraya sahavitunamne swadirmitraya varunaya vayave bruhaspataye padumagmadabhyah sarkaya snapayami. Sugar on Mahalakshmi. Ya phalinirya aphala pushpayascha pushpidihi bruhaspati prasudasthano manchanda gummasaha phalodakena snapayami. Take the coconut which you have kept by your side, break it and offer coconut water to Goddess Mahalakshmi like you have done in the case of Panchamrita. Then take one small banana fruit. After peeling off, cut the fruit into pieces and offer those pieces to Mahalakshmi. Then take water with a spoon from Kalasha and offer water to Mahalakshmi. Offering water should be done twice to Mahalakshmi with spoon. Apo histamayo bhuvaha tana urje tathatana maheranaye chakshase yovasyvatamo rasaha tasya bhajete hanaha उशतीरिव मातरः तस्मा अरंगमामवः यस्य क्षयाय जिन्वधा आपो जनयधाचनः पंचामृत स्नानानन्तरं सिद्धोदक स्नानं समर्पयामि. Panchamritabhishekam has come to an end. Now what we have to do is take out vigraha of goddess or coins and keep them in some other cleaned plate and collect the Panchamrita Drava into another clean glass from the plate and keep it aside. Clean the plate and restore Mahalakshmi or coins after cleaning in the plate and be listening to Sri Suktam while offering water to Mahalakshmi Vigraha from the Kalasha. Om Hiranyavarnam Harinim Suvarnarajitasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jatavedo Mavavaha Tam Maavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagaminim Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyangabaswam Purushanaham Ashwapurvam Rathamadhyam Hastinadha Prabodhinim Sriyan Devi Mupahvaye Srirma Devir Jushatam Kamsosmidam Hiranya Prakara Vardranjwalantin Druttan Tarpayantim Padme Sthidam Padpavarnanta Vibhavahvaye Sriyam Chandram Prabhasam Yashasajwalantim Sriyam Loke Devayushtamudaram Tam Padminimim Saranamaham Prapadye Alakshmirmenasya Tam Tvam Brune Adityavarne Tapasodhijato Vanaspatistava Vrukshoda Bilvaha Tasya Phalani Tapasanudantu Mayantarayascha Bhakya Alakshmi Upaiduman Devasakah Kirtischa Maninasaha Praturbhutosmi Rashtreshmin Kirtimurthin Dadatu Me Shutpipasavalanjeshtam Alakshmir Nashayamyaham Abhutimasamurdincha Sarvan Nirnudame Gruhat Gandhadvaranduradarshan Nityapushtankarishinim Ishwari Gum Sarvabhutananta Vibhavahvaye Sriyam Manasakka Mamakutim Vachas Satyamasimahi Pashunagum Rupamannasya Maishri Shretam Yashaha Kardamenah Praja Bhuta Mai Sambhava Kardama Sriyam Vasayame Kule Mataram Padmamalinim Apasvajantu Snigdhani Chikli Tavasame Gruhe Nicha Devim Mataram Sriyam Vasayame Kule Ardram Pushkarinim Pushtim Suvarnam Hemamalinim Suryam Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jatavedo Mamavaha Ardram Yakkaranim Yashtim Pingalam Padmamalinim Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jatavedo Mamavaha Tam Mahavaha Jatavedo Lakshmi Manapagaminim Yasyam Hiranyam Prabhutangavo Dasyoswan Vindeyam Purushanaham Yashichuh Prayato Bhutva Juhuyanadya Manvaham
श्रियः पञ्चदशश्च श्रीकामः सततं जपेत् आनन्दः कर्दमश्चैव चिक्लीत इति विश्रुताः ऋषयस्ते त्रयः प्रोक्ताः स्वयं श्रीः एव देवता पद्मानने पद्मऊरू पद्माक्षी पद्मसंभवे त्वं मां भजस्व पद्माक्षि येन सौख्यं लभाम्यहम् अश्वदायी च गोदायी धनदायी महाधने धनं मे जुषतां देवी सर्वकामार्थसिद्धये पुत्रपौत्रधनं धान्यं हस्त्यश्वादिगवेरथम् प्रजानां भवसि माता आयुष्मन्तं करोतु माम् चन्द्राभां लक्ष्मीमीशानां सूर्याभां श्रियमीश्वरीं चन्द्रसूर्याग्निसर्वाभां श्रीमहालक्ष्मीमुपास्महे धनमग्निर्धनं वायुर्धनं सूर्यो धनं वसुः धनमिन्द्रो बृहस्पतिर्वरुणं धनमश्नुते वैनतेय सोमं पिबतु रुद्रः सोमन्धनस्य सोमिनो मह्यं ददातु सोमिनी न क्रोधो न च मात्सर्यं न लोभो नाशुभामतिः भवन्ति कृतपुण्यानां भक्तानां श्रीसूक्तं जपेत् सदा वर्षन्तु ते विभावरी दिवो अभ्रस्य विद्युतः रोहन्तु सर्वबीजान्यवब्रह्मद्विषो यहि पद्मप्रिये पद्मिनि पद्महस्ते पद्मालये पद्मदलायताक्षी विश्वप्रिये विष्णुमनोनुकूले त्वत्पादपद्मं महिषन्निदत्स्व या सा पद्मासनस्था विपुलकटितटी पद्मपत्रायताक्षी गम्भीरावर्तनाभिस्तनभरणमिता शुभ्रवस्त्रोत्तरीया लक्ष्मीर्दिव्यैर्गजेन्द्रैर्मणिगणखचितैः स्नापिता हेमकुम्भैः नित्यं सा पद्महस्ता मम वसतु गृहे सर्वमाङ्गल्ययुक्ता लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गधामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदीपाङ्कुरां श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्धविभवब्रह्मेन्द्रगङ्गाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियां सिद्धलक्ष्मीर्मोक्षलक्ष्मीर्जयलक्ष्मीः सरस्वती श्रीर्लक्ष्मीर्वरलक्ष्मीश्च प्रसन्न मम सर्वदा वराङ्कुशौ पाशमभीतिमुद्रां करैर्वहन्तीं कमलासनस्थां बालार्ककोटिप्रतिभां त्रिनेत्रां भजेऽहमाम्बां जगदीश्वरीं तां सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते महादेव्यै च विद्महे विष्णुपत्न्यै च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्.
You have listened to Sri Suktam and take 2 spoons of water from the Abhisheka Jala and mix it with Panchamrita Drava. Collect the Abhisheka water into some other vessel, and after puja is over, this can be dropped in Tulasi Kota. Now clean the idol again and restore the idol in the original puja place on the betel leaf. Now we are offering Vastra to Goddess. Surachitangri Yugale Dukula Vasana Priye Vastra Yugmam Padasyami Gruhana Harivallabhe Mahalakshmi Devyai Namaha Vastra Yugmam Samarpayami. 2 small cotton pieces soaked in turmeric water to be offered to Goddess, or if you have a jacket piece readily, that can be offered to Goddess as Vastra. Yajnopavitam, you have one Yajnopavitam with yellow tinge. That Yajnopavitam to be offered while listening to the following mantra. Yajnopavitam paramam pavitram prajapateryat sahajam purastadu ayushyamugriyam pratimuncha shubhram यज्ञोपवीतं बलमस्तु तेजः. Now Gandham, sandal paste. गन्धद्वारान्दुरादर्शां नित्यपुष्टाङ्करीषिणीं ईश्वरीगुं सर्वभूतानान्ताभिहोपह्वये श्रियं. Take sandal paste with small flower and offer it to Goddess Mahalakshmi. Now turmeric and kunkuma powder. हरिद्रा कुङ्कुमञ्चैव सिन्धूरं कज्ज्वलान्वितं सौभाग्यद्रव्य संयुक्तं गृहाण हरिवल्लभे. महालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः. हरिद्रं कुङ्कुमं समर्पयामि. Turmeric powder and kunkuma to be offered to Mahalakshmi. Now abharana means ornaments. If you have any ornament, it can be offered to Mahalakshmi. If there is no abharanam, akshata can be offered to Mahalakshmi in place of abharana. हिरण्यरूपस्य हिरण्यसन्द्रुगपान्नपाच्छेतु हिरण्यवर्णः हिरण्ययात्पलियोनेर्निषद्य हिरण्यदादध्यन्नभस्मै सकलाभरणार्थम् अक्षतान् समर्पयामि. Pushpam. Afterwards, Pushpa Puja. First, you will have Anga Puja. Anga Puja means offering flowers to the entire body of Sri Mahalakshmi. After Anga Puja, we perform Ashtottara Shatanama Puja. For all these namas, each time flower and akshata to be offered to Goddess. Adha Anga Puja. Om Chanchalaye Namaha Padau Pujayami. Om Chapalaye Namaha Janunim Pujayami. Om Pitambaradharaye Namaha Urum Pujayami. Om Kamalavasinye Namaha Katim Pujayami. Om Padmalayaye Namaha Nabhim Pujayami. Om Madramatre Namaha Starau Pujayami. Om Lalitaye Namaha Bhujadvayam Pujayami. Om Kambukanthe Namaha Kantham Pujayami. Om Sunasikaye Namaha Nasikam Pujayami. Om Sriye Namaha Oshtau Pujayami. Om Sunetraye Namaha Netrani Pujayami. Om Ramaye Namaha Karnau Pujayami. Om Sumukhaye Namaha Mukham Pujayami. Om Sirshaye Namaha Siram Pujayami. Om Mahalakshe Namaha Sarvangani Pujayami. Now we have completed Anga Puja. Now we go to Ashtottara Shatanama Puja. Om Prakrutyai Namaha. Om Vikrutyai Namaha. Om Vidyai Namaha. Om Sarvabhutahitapradaya Namaha. Om Shraddhaya Namaha. Om Vibhotyai Namaha. Om Surabhyai Namaha. Om Paramatmikaya Namaha. Om Vachye Namaha. Om Padmalayai Namaha. Om Padmayai Namaha. Om Shityai Namaha. Om Swahaya Namaha. Om Swadhaya Namaha. Om Sudhaya Namaha. Om Dhanyai Namaha. Om Hiranmayai Namaha. Om Lakshmyai Namaha. Om Nityapushtayai Namaha. Om Vibhavariyai Namaha. Om Adityai Namaha. Om Dityai Namaha. Om Deeptayai Namaha. Om Vasudhayai Namaha. Om Vasudharinyai Namaha. Om Kamalaye Namaha. Om Kantaye Namaha. Om Kamakshyai Namaha. Om Krodhasambhavaya Namaha. Om Manugrahapadaye Namaha. Om Mudhyai Namaha. Om Anaghaye Namaha. Om Harivallabhaya Namaha. Om Ashokaya Namaha. Om Amrutaye Namaha. Om Deeptaye Namaha. Om Lokashoka Vinashinyai Namaha. Om Dharmanilayaye Namaha. Om Karunatmikaye Namaha. Om Lokavatre Namaha. Om Padmapriyaye Namaha. Om Padmahastaye Namaha. Om Padmakshyai Namaha. Om Padmasundariye Namaha. Om Padmadbhavaya Namaha. Om Padmamukhyai Namaha. Om Padmanabhapriyaye Namaha. Om Ramaye Namaha. Om Padmamaladharaya Namaha. Om Devye Namaha. Om Padminyai Namaha. Om Padmagandhinyai Namaha. Om Punyagandhaye Namaha. Om Suprasannaye Namaha. Om Prasadabhimukhyai Namaha. Om Prabhaye Namaha. Om Chandravadanaye Namaha. Om Chandraye Namaha. Om Chandrasahodariye Namaha. Om Chaturbhujaye Namaha. Om Chandrarupaye Namaha. Om Indiraye Namaha. Om Indusitalaye Namaha. Om Ahlajananye Namaha. Om Pushtye Namaha. Om Shivaye Namaha. Om Shivankariye Namaha. Om Satye Namaha. Om Vimalaye Namaha. Om Vishwajananye Namaha. Om Pushtaye Namaha. Om Daridyanasinyai Namaha. Om Pritipushkarinyai Namaha. Om Shantaye Namaha. Om Shuklamalyambaraye Namaha. Om Sriye Namaha. Om Bhaskariye Namaha. Om Bilvanalaye Namaha. Om Vararohaye Namaha. Om Yashasvinyai Namaha. Om Vasundharaye Namaha. Om Udarangaye Namaha. Om
हरिण्यै नमः ओं हेममालिन्यै नमः ओं धनधान्यकर्यै नमः ओं सिद्धये नमः ओं स्त्रैणसौम्याय नमः ओं शिवप्रदाय नमः ओं रूपवेश्मगतानन्दाय नमः ओं वरलक्ष्म्यै नमः ओं वसुप्रदाय नमः ओं शुभायै नमः ओं हिरण्यप्राकाराय नमः ओं समुद्रतनयाय नमः ओं जयाय नमः ओं मंगलादेव्यै नमः ओं विष्णुवक्षस्थलस्थितायै नमः ओं विष्णुपत्यै नमः ओं प्रसन्नाक्ष्यै नमः ओं नारायणसमाश्रिताय नमः ओं दारिद्र्यध्वंसिन्यै नमः ओं श्रीदेव्यै नमः ओं सर्वोपद्रववारिण्यै नमः ओं नवदुर्गायै नमः ओं महाकाल्यै नमः ओं ब्रह्मविष्णुशिवात्मिकाय नमः ओं त्रिकालज्ञानसम्पन्नाय नमः ओं भुवनेश्वर्यै नमः ओं श्रीमहालक्ष्मीदेव्यै नमः ओं नानाविधपरिमलपत्रकुसुम अक्षतान् समर्पयामि. On completion of this Namavali Puja, we will offer dhupa to Mahalakshmi by listening to the mantra. 2 agarthis to be taken, they should be lighted. After you get the smoke, that smoke to be shown to Mahalakshmi in 3 circular rounds. While doing so, bell sound should be made. Dashangangugulopetam sugandhancha manoharam dhupam dasyami te devi Mahalakshmi gruhanatam Mahalakshmi devyai namaha dhupam samarpayami. Now deepa. Diyas we have already lighted. Listening to this mantra, we have to show these diyas to Mahalakshmi with the help of flower. Sadhyam trivarti samyuktam vandhina jyotitam maya gruhana mangalam deepam trailokyatimirapaham Mahalakshmi devyai namaha thapita deepam darshayami. Please show diya to Goddess Mahalakshmi. Now Achamana. Suvarna kalasanitam chandanaagaru samyutam gruhanachamanam devi maya dattam shubhaprade Mahalakshmi Devyai Namaha Achamanam Samarpayami. Offer 1 spoon of water from Kalasha to Goddess and then drop it in Ardhyapatra. Then Naivedya. For the purpose of Naivedya, you have 1 tambula in front of the Goddess, and in the tambula you have 5 varieties of fruits. You have dry dates, you have dry grapes. Apart from that, you have soaked grams, and you have jaggery water. You have 2 pieces of coconut after you have broken them for Abhisheka, and you have Pulihodra, and you have a sweet item. All these things are to be offered as Naivedya to Goddess. First listen to mantra and sprinkle water on all these Naivedya. Om Bhur Bhuvat Suvaha Om Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayatu Om Satyam Tartena Parishinchami Amrutamastu Amrutavastranamasi Swaha Om Pranaya Swaha Om Apanaya Swaha Om Vyanaya Swaha Om Vadanaya Swaha Om Savanaya Swaha Sri Mahalakshmi Devyai Namaha Ardrita Chanakadala Naivedyam Samarpayami गुडोदक नैवेद्यम समर्पयामि नारकेल नैवेद्यम समर्पयामि नानाविधफल नैवेद्यम समर्पयामि हरिद्रान्न नैवेद्यम समर्पयामि गुडान्न नैवेद्यम समर्पयामि. After offering naivedya, 5 times you have to offer water to Goddess with spoon from Kalasha, listening to this mantra. Madhye madhye udakapaniyam samarpayami once. Uttaraposhanam samarpayami second time. Hastau prachalya third time. Padau prachalya fourth time. Shuddhachamaniyam fifth time. Tambulam samarpayami. Now 1 drop of water with the spoon on tambula in front of Goddess. Phugi phalam samayuktam nagavallidalairyutam karpura churna samyuktam Tambulam pratiruhyatam Tambulam samarpayami Adhanirajanam. Now Harati. Take Harati plate, put 1 piece of karpuram or batti, light them and put kumkum for Harati plate
and then show it to Mahalakshmi, listening to the following mantra.
हिरण्यपात्रं मधोः पूर्णं दधाति मधव्यो सानिति एकधा ब्रह्मणमुपहरति एकदैवे जमाना आयुस्तेजो दधाति नीराजनं समर्पयामि नीराजनानन्तरं शुद्धाचमनीयं समर्पयामि.
1 spoon of water to be shown to goddess and then dropped on the other edge of the Nirajanam plate. Now, Mantra Pushpa. Take flowers and akshatas into your right hand. Please stand up in front of goddess. Listen to the following mantra.
योपां पुष्पं वेद पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपां पुष्पं पुष्पवान् प्रजावान् पशुमान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति अग्निर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति योरग्नेरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अग्निरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति वायुर्वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो वायोरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै वायोरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति असौ वै तपन्नपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो मुष्यतपत आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा आमुष्यतपत आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति चन्द्रमा वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यश्चन्द्रमस आयतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै चन्द्रमस आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति नक्षत्राणि वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो नक्षत्राणामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै नक्षत्राणामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति पर्जन्यो वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यः पर्जन्यस्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै पर्जन्यस्यायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति संवत्सरो वा अपामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यत्संवत्सरस्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वै संवत्सरस्यायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति य एवं वेद योऽप्सुनावं प्रतिष्ठितां वेद प्रत्येव तिष्ठति नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णुः प्रचोदयात् महादेव्यै च विद्महे विष्णुपत्न्यै च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्.
You have listened to Mantra Pushpa. Now you perform Atma Pradakshina, means take rounds around you and offer Akshata and Pushpa in your hand to Mahalakshmi and take Raksha in the Harati plate. After you have taken Raksha, now you have to offer Uttara Nirajana, means second Nirajana to goddess. So once more you light camphor or battis in the plate and show it to goddess 3 times in a circular fashion, listening to the following mantra. Yat katakshasam vidhi sevakasya sakalartha sampadaha santanoti vachananga manasaihi tvam murari hudayeswarim bhaje. Then keep Harati plate by your side. Take 1 spoon of water, show it to goddess and drop it on the other edge of the Harati plate. Prarthana Purvaka Namaskaran Samarpayami. Akshata and flowers to be shown to goddess, listening to the following mantra. Mahadevyai cha vidmahe Vishnu patnischa dhimahi tanno Mahalakshmi prachodayatu. Now, punah pujancha karishye. Each time you offer akshata. Chhatramachadayami akshata. Chamram vichayami akshata. Rucham darshayami akshata. Geetam sravayami akshata. Here, anybody can sing a song on goddess Mahalakshmi. After the song is over, Andolikam avarohayami. Samasta bhaktiyopachara satyopachara pujan samarpayami akshata again. Now listen to the following mantra. Taking akshata into your right palm and water in the spoon with your left hand. Mantrahinam kriyahinam bhaktihinam parameswari yat pujitam maya devi paripurnam tadastu me anena dhyanamavahanadi shodashopachara pujanena bhagavati sarvatmaki sarvam sri mahadashmi devyai namaha suprita suprasanna varada bhavantu. Now you have akshatas in your right hand and you have water in the spoon in your left hand. So pour that water into your right hand, then drop akshatas and water into Arghya Patra. Now Mahalakshmi Puja is over now. Now we have to say Udvasana mantra. Just move Mahalakshmi slightly. Yajnena yajnamayanta devaha tani dharmani pradhamanyasan tehanakam mahimanas sajante. Ji Mahalakshmi Devyai Namaha Yadhasthanam Udvasayami. Now take 1 flower from the goddess Mahalakshmi and give it to your wife so that she can have it in the hair. Mahalakshmi Prasadam Sirasa Grunnami. You request Mahalakshmi to come back to your house every day. Punaragamanaya cha. So, puja is over now. Tirtha Prasada to be distributed. While distributing Tirtha and Prasada, please listen to Mangalavadya again. For Muttaidas, that is Suvasinis, you can offer Tambula and Kunkuma. After performing all these things, the water which you have used and kept by your side and other unused flowers, if any, will have to be thrown in Tulasi Kota so that nobody walks on them. Tirtha is nothing but whatever we have done for Panchamrita Abhisheka, that will be called Tirtha. Prasada means what we have offered as Naivedya to goddess. Please do these things. After all these things are over, you take 1 Tambula and put whatever money you can put in the Tambula and offer it to a Sad Brahmana, a person in whom you have a lot of trust. You can offer Tambula to that person after puja is over. Om Swasti.